A few years ago, a friend of mine was still using the same old phone, driving a basic car and living in a modest apartment. Nothing flashy. But one day, I realized something shocking. He had zero credit card stress, 6 months of expenses saved, investments running on autopilot, and complete control over his time. He wasn't rich yet, but he was clearly crossing a line most people never do. And that made me wonder, why do some people slowly climb into the upper class while others work just as hard and stay stuck? Why do we think upper class means luxury, when in reality it starts with invisible shifts? And what if you're already showing these signs, but don't even know it? In this video, I'm going to break down subtle but powerful signs that prove you're moving into the upper class. Signs no one talks about, signs you won't see on Instagram, and signs that matter more than money itself. Watch till the end, because once you recognize these signs, you'll stop doubting your progress, stop comparing yourself to noise, and start doubling down on the habits that actually change your financial class. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's start with first sign. You're no longer excited by quick money. At some point, fast money starts to feel suspicious. There was a time when side hustles promising $5,000 in 30 days sounded exciting. Crypto flips, risky stock trades, leveraged bets, viral income schemes. But now, your brain pauses. This is a major upper-class signal. Psychologically, this shift means your time horizon has expanded. You're no longer optimizing for dopamine. You're optimizing for durability. The average person who builds a net worth above $1 million doesn't do it through lottery-style wins. Studies show they rely on long-term investing, disciplined asset allocation, and boring consistency. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time a get-rich-quick idea made you uncomfortable instead of excited? That discomfort isn't fear, it's maturity. Upper-class movement begins when you stop chasing money and start building systems that attract it. And this mental shift unlocks something deeper, because once your thinking slows down, your wealth actually speeds up. And that leads us to the next sign, one that changes how you spend forever. Sign 2, you feel richer saying no than saying yes. Here's a real-world pattern I've seen again and again. A mid-level professional earning an average salary started saying no to lifestyle pressure. No luxury car loan, no impulse travel, no status spending. Instead, he automated investments into index funds, focused on tax-efficient investing, and protected his cash flow. 5 years later, he didn't just hit a higher income. He built a calm retirement portfolio, real optionality, and time freedom. That's the quiet win. The fix is simple but uncomfortable. Pause before every yes and ask, does this increase my net worth or just my image? Set a personal rule that every big expense must compete with an investment, stocks, ETFs, or equity growth, and let the better option win. Upper-class people don't feel poor saying no. They feel powerful because they know what they're protecting. Compare this thought. One person says yes to everything and stays busy but broke. Another says no strategically and builds invisible wealth. If you want financial freedom, stronger cash flow, and a future where money works harder than you do, learning to enjoy saying no is one of the clearest signs you're already moving up. Sign 3. You're less interested in looking successful. Here's a strange shift that signals upper-class momentum. You lose interest in looking successful and become obsessed with being financially secure. That curiosity-triggering moment matters because performance drains capital while progress compounds it. People make a costly mistake chasing optics, flashy cars on EMIs, designer logos, Instagram vacations, thinking visibility equals victory. The effect is hidden but brutal. Higher fixed expenses, fragile cash flow, no margin for market volatility, and zero room for equity growth. When you stop buying applause, you start buying assets, dividend stocks, ETFs, index funds, and tax-efficient portfolios that quietly build net worth. Choosing a reliable used car and routing the savings into a long-term investment account. Another is wearing simple clothes while your stock portfolio compounds in the background. The provocative truth is this. If your money is busy proving something, it's not busy earning something. Sign 4. You invest in skills that pay you back repeatedly. I've seen this mindset change lives in real time. A regular salaried employee started investing in communication and analytical skills, learned how businesses actually make money, and slowly moved into higher responsibility roles. At the same time, he built investing skills, understanding equity, risk management, and portfolio diversification. 5 years later, he didn't just earn more. He had multiple income streams, growing passive income, and confidence that no market shift could wipe him out. The fix is simple but disciplined. Every year, allocate a portion of your capital to skills that either increase income or improve investing decisions. Ask one question before spending: will this still pay me 5 years from now? Upper-class people don't rely on motivation, luck, or a single job. They rely on skills that compound like assets. Compare this thought. One person buys things that depreciate. Another buys abilities that appreciate. When your skills start paying you repeatedly, you're no longer chasing money. Money starts responding to you. Sign 5. Money stops scaring you and starts following patterns. Here's a subtle but powerful shift. Financial stress doesn't disappear, it becomes predictable. And that's when you know you're moving into upper-class behavior. This matters because emotional money decisions destroy wealth faster than low income ever could. Most people panic when markets dip, bills rise, or income fluctuates. And that panic leads to terrible choices. Selling investments at the worst time, taking high-interest debt, or chasing quick wins. A best-selling book nails this idea with the line, "Uncertainty is expensive only when you're unprepared." When you start tracking cash flow, building emergency reserves, and understanding how stocks, ETFs, and market cycles actually behave, stress turns into data. I've seen someone transform their life just by removing emotion from finance. A mid-income professional created a simple system: fixed expenses mapped, 6 months of savings, automated investing into index funds, and clear risk management rules. When income dipped briefly, there was no fear, no chaos, just adjustment. Years later, that predictability turned into confidence, better investment decisions, and steady net worth growth. When money stops being emotional and starts becoming predictable, you're no longer surviving financially, you're progressing. Sign 6. You're comfortable delaying rewards longer than others. Delayed gratification isn't just discipline, it's a competitive advantage. Upper-class movement requires the ability to wait while others spend. This doesn't mean deprivation. It means strategic patience, choosing assets over appearances, equity over instant pleasure, and compounding over consumption. The mistake people make is assuming small rewards don't matter. But recurring indulgences quietly steal capital that could have generated passive income for decades. Ask yourself this: can you enjoy progress without immediate visible proof? If yes, you're thinking like someone who understands compound growth, not just in stocks, but in habits. And patience unlocks clarity, especially about who you allow into your financial world. Sign 7. You trade crowd energy for quiet intelligence. Someone earning an average income slowly distanced themselves from constant social spending and built relationships with people focused on skills, investing, and discipline. No shortcuts, no hype, just better inputs. Over time, their decisions improved, income grew, and they started building a resilient investment portfolio with stocks, ETFs, and passive income streams. The fix isn't cutting people off aggressively, it's upgrading proximity intentionally. Spend more time with people who challenge your thinking, share opportunities, and respect delayed gratification. Upper-class growth often looks lonely from the outside but feels peaceful on the inside. Compare this thought. One person is surrounded by many voices and stays confused. Another listens to a few wise voices and compounds clarity. When your circle gets smaller but smarter, your financial direction stops wobbling and starts accelerating. Sign 8. You trust your math more than their applause. Here's a powerful shift that signals upper-class momentum. You stop asking for validation before making smart financial decisions, and that silence starts to feel peaceful instead of scary. This matters because seeking approval is one of the most expensive habits people carry. Approval pushes bad timing, emotional investing, and lifestyle inflation. People make the mistake of crowdsourcing decisions that should be data-driven, buying stocks only after everyone's talking about them, avoiding index funds because friends call them boring, or hesitating to invest because family doesn't understand ETFs, equity, or long-term compounding. The effect is predictable: missed opportunities, delayed wealth building, and constant second-guessing. A best-selling book puts it sharply. If you need reassurance, you're probably late. Upper-class thinkers don't need consensus to compound. Compare this thought. One person waits for approval and stays average. Another trusts the process and builds wealth quietly. When validation stops being a requirement, clarity increases, decisions accelerate, and money finally starts working for you instead of your ego. If you recognize yourself in even 3 of these signs, something important is happening. You're not just earning more, you're becoming different. Upper class is not a destination. It's a behavioral identity that compounds silently, predictably, and powerfully over time. And the beautiful part? Once this identity locks in, money has no choice but to follow. If this resonated with you, support the channel by clicking like, subscribe, and share. And each one helps us reach and empower more lives. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.